Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
The Snipping Tool captures visible screen content using 3 simple modes. You draw a region to capture a custom area. You select a specific window to capture only that app. You choose full screen to capture every visible pixel on multiple monitors. You can open Snipping Tool from the Start menu or pin it to the taskbar for quick access. You can also assign a keyboard shortcut to launch the app instantly. The tool holds captures inside the app until you decide to save, copy, or share. Region mode lets you draw a freeform or rectangular area to capture precisely. Window mode captures the selected application window only, excluding other screens or overlays. Full screen mode records every visible pixel across all connected displays. After capturing, annotation tools appear so you can add notes and highlights. Use the pen to draw, the highlighter to mark areas, and the eraser to remove pen strokes. You can also crop the capture to tighten composition before saving or copying to the clipboard. After editing, save captures as PNG, JPEG, or GIF to preserve quality and compatibility. Choose a file name and folder to organize your screenshots efficiently. You can also copy the image to the clipboard for pasting into documents or messages instantly. Use the Share button to send captures via email or other installed apps. Settings let you enable a delay timer for 3 or 5 seconds to capture transient UI elements. You can also set a default save format and configure whether the cursor shows in captures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.